So if you've ever wanted to code faster and build better software without getting stuck on complex problems, OpenAI just dropped something that makes it incredibly simple. The tool is called GPT-5 Codex. It's an OpenAI's newest AI coding agent that's designed to handle real-world programming tasks like a senior developer. GPT-5 Codex is a version of GPT-5, but it's further optimized for agentic software engineering in Codex. It's trained on complex real-world engineering tasks such as building full projects from scratch, adding features and tests, performing large-scale refactors, and conducting code reviews. Now, if you're going to ignore these two, you're going to keep on wasting hours debugging code and struggling with complex projects. But those of us who are learning it will move faster, will build better apps, will also get ahead in our careers. For you to have access to GPT-5 Codex, you need to use it through OpenAI's Codex. Now, GPT-5 is a better collaborator, particularly in agentic coding products like Cursor, Windsurf, GitHub, Copilot, and Codex CLI. Unlike basic code generators, GPT-5 Codex can handle full software engineering tasks. You can ask it to build entire applications, adding new features to an existing code, or even conduct code reviews. It's going to do everything without a problem. Now, with Codex, developers can simultaneously deploy multiple agents to independently handle coding tasks, such as writing features, answering questions about your code base, or fixing bugs, and more. OpenAI says the GPT-5 Codex outperforms GPT-5 on SW Bench Verified, a benchmark measuring agentic coding abilities, which means it's not just fast, it's accurate. Even if you've never used an AI coding tool before, GPT-5 Codex is designed to work with developers at any level. It understands context, follows best practices, and can explain its decisions. The difference is simple. While others are still manually writing every line of code, you are using AI to handle the heavy lifting so you can focus on the creative and strategic parts of development. Start with a simple project or ask it to review some existing code, then comment below what results you got. I want to hear your story. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.